There are many reasons for tiredness, including a lack of sleep, poor diet, a sedentary lifestyle, stress, and medical conditions. Tiredness can cause an array of problems. For example, around 1 in 25 adult drivers report falling asleep at the wheel each month. Everyone feels tired at some point in their lives, whether it's due to a late night out, staying up to watch your favorite TV show, or putting in some extra hours at work. Some of the top reasons you feel tired all the time are: 1. Lack of sleep. A lack of sleep may seem an obvious reason for feeling tired, yet 1 in 3 US adults are consistently not getting enough of it. Tiredness increases the risk of accidents, obesity, high blood pressure, depression, and heart disease. If you struggle to fit in 7 hours of sleep, here are some tips to help you achieve a full dose of much-needed slumber. Maintain a consistent sleep routine, avoid naps, limit time awake in bed to 5 to 10 minutes, ensure that your bedroom is quiet, dark, and a comfortable temperature, limit caffeinated drinks, avoid tobacco and alcohol before bed. 2. Poor diet. The easiest way to banish tiredness is to make adjustments to your diet. Eating a healthful and balanced diet can make the world of difference to how you feel. Eating a healthful and balanced diet can help to combat fatigue. To improve your health and get all the nutrients you need, as well as eliminate fatigue, it is vital to choose a healthful mix of food from the 5 food groups, which are fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. 3. Excessive stress. Many situations can cause stress. Work, financial problems, relationship issues, major life events, and upheaval such as moving house, unemployment, and bereavement. The list of potential stressors is never-ending. Excessive stress can lead to physical and emotional exhaustion. Excessive, prolonged stress can cause physical and emotional exhaustion and lead to illness. Some of the tips to reduce stress are: identify the source of stress, learn to say no, communicate your concerns, accept the things you are unable to change, etc. 4. Sedentary lifestyle. When tiredness sets in, sitting on the couch and relaxing could seem to be the only answer. But getting up and moving may be the best thing you can do to re-energize and eradicate fatigue. Exercising can help to increase energy and reduce tiredness. If you have not exercised for a while, start slowly. Begin with a brisk 10-minute walk each day and build up to walking fast for 30 minutes on 5 days per week. Brisk walking, water aerobics, riding a bike, playing tennis, and even pushing a lawnmower can all count toward your time spent doing moderate intensity exercise. So these are few of the reasons you feel tired all the time. In this video we have provided you with suggestions on how to overcome fatigue. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.